Toy daycare is open, Mama Z.
Oh, Daddy Z.
Valentina Z is right there.
Valentina Z? Valentina Z. And Sophia Z.
Sophia Z.
And where are we going today?
To the Strawberry Festival.
To eat what? Bananas?
Strawberry shortcake, strawberry cheesecake, strawberry ice cream, strawberry
that's annoying.
cake, strawberry everything.
Strawberry everything. Do they have strawberry cabbage and strawberry spinach?
Strawberry soup, strawberry
Toothpaste.
salad.
Strawberry toothpaste sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Aww.
Strawberry toast.
Strawberry toast.
All right.
Strawberry gas.
Well, we'll see you there, guys. So here are some old-fashioned cars.
Some hot rods.
Hello, puppy. Oh, that's a cool one. Girls, which one is your favorite?
That one's so cool.
This one is like half car. Where's the second half of the car go?
Please do not touch.
Please do not touch.
Don't touch anything.
It says do not touch. That doesn't say do not ride it.
Not even the tires.
Look, Porsche.
The old BMW.
It does look like it came from my country.
I thought it was going to be a strawberry fest. This is so green.
Oh, don't worry. We're going to find Strawberry Fest.
I wish we had a wagon. So you could ride it.
Aww.
If you just let them smell, if you just try to let them smell it, he said, you don't smell like it.
So adorable.
Can you find the toads in here? And where are they?
Oh, I see one. Oh, I see one.
There are actually 3 of them, but they sometimes dig into the ground.
That's the button here, the frog call.
It's like you went from like wearing a t-shirt, then wearing a coat, then wearing a raincoat.
That's the one that's in here. This American Fairies is the one in here.
And then you look at the weather and it's pink, and then you put pink.
Yes. That's a bullfrog.
Yeah, what picture was?
This is your kid?
So girls found a little shop with some homemade dolls. Oh no, those are not homemade. Those are American girls.
Can you get some?
And the outfits for them.
Can you get some of mine for my American
Ooh.
doll? Can you get something for my American doll?
Outfits for American girls.
Can I have?
Look at them all. So pretty. Look at
Can
bathing
I-
suits. Oh, look at that little bathing suit with those towels.
Oh my god, owl! This is an owl dress. Oh my god, can we
Sophia,
get this?
put it back. Cute owl dress. Hanging nicely, yeah.
Can we get
Glasses
some?
right there,
Oh my
outfits.
god, look at.
Oh,
Can
it's
we-
adorable.
Can we get them from McDonald's?
You don't have a dog, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just saw extremely giant dog. I don't think I've ever seen the dog of that size. Look at that.
Just turned a year old.
This is only a year-old puppy.
We have a bigger one at home.
Whoa. And they have a bigger one home. This is so big. What kind of dog is that?
Wolfhound?
It's beautiful.
Makes yourself show.
I just want those.
So that keeps her from pulling.
Hey, puppy.
I know.
Hi, handsome. Oh, yeah.
His name's
Wow.
Blue.
Beautiful
Johnny
dog.
Walker Blue.
So cute. Thank you. Another very, very big dog. How old is he?
Approximately a year and a half.
Another puppy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, beautiful face.
Isn't he?
So handsome, you. So handsome.
Big face, Leroy.
We're also having some food, hot dogs. Tastes good?
Somebody's hungry over there.
I know. Some Cheetos and Doritos and lemonade. Sophia, is it tasty? Sophia? Yeah, big bite. All right, friends. So we have a question, some consideration for you. Do you guys think that Valentina's pants are white with black stripes or black with white stripes? Leave us a comment below and let us know what you think. What about you, Sophia? Sophia, with
Sophia's hands
orange.
orange or are they orange?
And her mouth, orange or orange?
That's from the, what are you eating? Cheetos.
Cheetos.
They are black with white stripes.
I think they are
No,
white
Elliot,
and black stripes.
Say black, white.
Probably if you count the amount of stripes, you can get the answer.
I'm done.
We found some pretty fairy skirts and fairy headbands, and look at these two fairies! Wow! Sophia's the purple one matches her outfit, and Valentina chose the blue one. Very pretty. Twirl, let me see your beautiful. Whoa! Beautiful hairbands.
Look at that long hair you have.
I know, it's like one hair. You spin for me and dance? We have a serious candy sharing.
Exchange going on right here.
Candy
Making
exchange.
some deals over here, some candy deals. I'll give you 2 sour patches for 1 bite of your caramel log.
Hide. Go hide behind the tree.
I'm going to show how to do cartwheels. Can you hold on to these?
Careful, don't fall. Oh, that one now safe, so Valentina.
Down the hole.
Oh, look at the puppies right there. Hi. That's a very, very, very big tree. Whoa. Whoa. That's Sophia's version of cartwheel. Cartwheel. And that's Valentina's version of cartwheel.
I chewed it! Can I have one? No.
Wait. And now they're choosing the prizes.
I have.
Anything that says a 2 on it.
they're getting fairy wands. They're gonna match their tiaras. Come on, muscles.
Sophie, stop it. Actually,
This for children ages 2 and 5 years.
Wait, Sophie, do you want to go on that bouncy thing? This thingy thing?
Hold on. Don't fall.
Slide down that. That's a fast slide. Watch how fast it gets.
Watch how fast this is. Whoa!
Hey,
I just spanked his booty.
If you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Toy Daycare. Thank you very much.